what we've got here is my Clipper 2B special seed and grain cleaner that I've just finished rebuilding. Basically what I did to it is all the red parts you see are wooden. I just gave them a coat of stain, cleaned everything up, everything gray or silver. I pretty much replaced all the sheet metal and painted the other parts gray. Sandblasted and painted them. Here's basically how it works. You put your unclean grain into this tray, and this little agitator wire that you saw moving back and forth shakes it through this slot right here down onto this first screen. Any trash that's too big to fit through this screen will come down here, drop into that little trough, gets shaken and brought out onto this little chute here, and would dump into some kind of container here. Anything that will go through this, which hopefully includes all the good grain or seed, will drop down into this next screen, which has finer holes in it. Anything smaller than the seed you're cleaning would fall through this screen and in turn come out this little chute right here into another container. So you'd want this screen smaller than the seed you're cleaning. This screen is just big enough so the seed that you're cleaning would go through and the trash wouldn't. Anything remaining comes off of the screen, goes into here and falls into this air duct. There's a fan blowing here that you saw running a second ago, blowing air up through here and exhaust out this hood. So anything lighter than the seed that you're cleaning, all the chaff and everything would get blown out here or comes out here. And the seed that is cleaned, which should be heavier than chaff, would come down this chute and dump into the elevator, which starts right here. The elevator is basically a belt with a bunch of little paddles on it that runs, and then it dumps the seed out of here. Originally this had a little double chute that you could flip back and forth for bagging, but since I'm not going to bag directly off it, I didn't bother making that. You'll notice twist in both these belts. That's to get everything running in the correct direction. It apparently was originally set up that way with a twist in the belt with these flat pulleys. And my belief is this one also had a flat belt and wooden pulleys on the elevator, but somewhere along the way it's been replaced. At least that's my belief, because if you have the belt on the right way, the elevator runs backwards, and I know I've seen them with a wooden pulley and a twist in the belt there also. So the fan is basically got 3 speeds from these 3 steps on the pulley. You can change it to 3 different speeds, and you can also change the speed or the amount of air going through the fan with these little dampers on the side to further adjust the airflow through it, because you want just enough air blowing through it to blow the chaff out without blowing out the good clean seed. The good clean seed will come out the elevator and dump into, in my case, another container here. I think that's about the whole story on the Clipper 2B special. The special refers to the elevator. Without the elevator, it's simply the Clipper 2B.